Hello, good morning, my dear student. I hope you all are very good, fit and fine. So today we are going for continue portion of Hututu Hututu. Here is a game of one kabaddi game. In this kabaddi game, we already discussed about the different types of rules and functions regarding this kabaddi game. In today's session, we are going for solving some textual exercise on page number 80. Okay. So started with the first one. Next time when you play kabaddi, focus on your attention on your legs, arms and eyes. You will notice that good coordination is required between eyes, legs and arms. So whenever we playing a game, we must be coordinate in between the three things, three body parts in our body. That parts are legs, arms and eyes. Because if we does not aware about these different types of parts, then suddenly we will got here out. So you will notice that good coordinate is required between eyes, legs and arms. Okay, so you must be necessary to concentrate on every time on eyes, legs and arms when you playing a kabaddi game. So make a picture in your notebook to show how Shyamla managed to get the entire opposite team out in one go. So this picture you have to draw from the page number 78. This page number is given of Shyamla's picture with the three opposite member easily put down here the Shyamla, and they also easily crack this line at the center position. Okay, so this question you can draw from your picture on page number 78. Now second one, what does it mean to be out in games? When does one gets out in kabaddi? So here we have to give the what is the definition of out, and also we have to write here we write to here when does one gets out. So you have to give the rules when someone out in a kabaddi game. Okay, so then you can write your answer. To be out in a game means that the players cannot continue the game for a certain time. Okay, they cannot play in game for some time. Okay, there is a time is required here, the limitations of time about the different rules of kabaddi. Okay, then when does one gets out in kabaddi? So if he stops saying kabaddi, if someone is stop saying kabaddi, then it's going to be out. If the players is stopped by the opposite team during his move, so on that time they also be out. And if the touches opposite players and stopped by the team, then also they could be out here. Okay, now move on to second number question. Here in the second number question, here in the second number question, in some games it is very important to touch the players. For example, in the game of Kho, you get out when someone touches you. You also get your turn by someone touch. Name some games in which it is important to touch the players. Okay, so we have to give the name of the games where when someone touches you, you could be out here. So which games are here? For example, here some games are here. Here we can write kabaddi game. In kabaddi game we must be need to touch someone to out them, and also in Kho game we have to touch someone to out them, and also arm wrestling. And arm wrestling means panja ladana, that is arm wrestling. You can write answer kabaddi, Kho and arm wrestling. In these games we must be need to touches our opposite members player. Okay, now next question. In kabaddi the entire team was out because Shyamla had touched the line. What are the some other games in which the center line is very important? So there are the several games in which the center line is very important. That is a hockey. In hockey we have to put ball at the center position, and then we have to going to playing here. Then football, they also put football at the center line. And then tug of war, that is called a rasa khicha game. Okay, so that is a game that is in which we have to important in a center line is very important to touch the line. Okay, now next one, what are the games in which besides the players you have to touch some things or colors? So we have to write the name of the games where we have to must be touch the things and colors. So Kho games we have to must be touches the things like this. You can see here in this picture the player has been touched here, the different things here, and also the color race. In the color race they put the color on the players which running in a game. Okay, so this is all about today's session. Now we are going to ending here. Bye bye, take care.